ahead now, turn on my headlight switch here, and there it is.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm talking about installing EL wires into my front driver's and front passenger side door interior card. Alright, so I'll go ahead now and show you guys exactly how to install them.
So this is my door card, MK6 Jetta, years 2011 to 2018. So in case you guys don't see, I actually already installed the wire right here, okay? So you might ask yourself, how did I do it? Well, I had to completely unscrew all the screws off this door card and pop the door card out, okay? I didn't remove it, I just popped it out a little bit, a few inches, okay? So by popping it out a few inches, I was able to run the wires through. So how are the wires run through? Basically in here, there's like a hole for the wire for this switch. So I run the wires through this hole, then I'm behind here, and then up through here to here, basically. Where this trim piece pops into here, there's an opening here, behind here. So I run the wire from inside here, all the way to here, basically, the bottom part, and it came out, and I ran it down there, okay? It easily wedges in between the door card and the trim piece, very easily. It's a very tight fit, so you might, be convinced that this is impossible, and how come this guy did it and I can't do it? That's what I felt, but it is possible, trust me. How I did it was, I had this thing unpopped, a little bit out, okay? I put the EL wire down, then I popped it in while holding the EL wire in place, okay? Some of it was in place very good, some of it was pushed in too much or pushed out too much or whatever the case was. So whatever was messed up, I just left this piece popped in, and then went ahead and pushed it in or pulled it out, whatever was messed up, and you end up with a good finished product. Okay, so how did I wire it? Well, I wired it in this wiring of the switch here. I'll go ahead now, pop that out and show you guys. So as you can see guys, I removed the actual trim, okay, and the switch out of the actual trim piece, the trim piece side here. Here it is, okay. There's nothing going on with this, just a regular trim piece, okay. The wiring is all here basically. So as you can see, the wire runs right where the original wires run, okay, same hole basically. And then I put the black wire that came with the wiring, okay, on the brown wire here, the ground wire. And then the red wire, the power wire, on the gray wire here, okay? There's an extra wire here, red and yellow. You don't use that. So I just tapped the ground and the power wire, which is the gray wire. All right, and that was it. So guys, this one here is the original wire that comes with the EL wire kit, okay? It's a 12-volt cigarette lighter, okay? So what did I do? I installed this whole wire under my door card, basically, all right? And then when it came down to here, I actually cut this piece off here, this cigarette lighter. So you can see here, this is already cut. That's what I use right now for the passenger side. See how it's cut off? So I cut it off basically. Okay. And I split these two wires apart in two pieces, okay? And got them ready to be installed in the actual tap connector. So the red wire is a power wire and installed in the car on the gray wire, okay? And then the black wire is a negative wire. So that I got installed on the brown wire in the car. And this is just, flopping around behind your door card basically. So I'd recommend you put some kind of, padding around it or like bubble wrap around it and tape it up or something. For the bus side, I didn't do anything, so I left it like that. We'll see how it sounds, and if it sounds bad, I'll go ahead and do that. Pad it up basically. And that was it. I'll go ahead now and show you the light. So guys, out of the daylight, I have the EL wire fully on right now. You can barely notice it, but to me it's very noticeable right now in person. So there you have it guys, an EL wire installation in a MK6 Jetta. Okay, you can go ahead and do your whole, interior dashboard, the rest of the doors. It's basically the same principle. And for the driver's door, I'll go ahead now and show you that. Here's the driver's door. Same idea. You're going to unscrew all the screws, pop the door card out a few inches, and run the wiring. So we got to take this whole panel off here, okay? Run the wiring through this hole where the original wire for this switch is, okay? Up and behind to the area around here. And then the EL wire came out of here, basically, and run all the way down here, okay? So same principle. Use the red wire, which is the power, install it into the gray wire in the car, and the black wire, which is the ground, install it to the brown wire in the car. It's very easy, guys. And there's the finished product. This light here is on. I'll go ahead and now turn it off for you guys so you can notice the difference, or not. Let's see if you can notice the difference. Off. That's on, off. On, off. There is a difference, yep. There you guys have it. Alright guys, so I'm outside now. I finished installing the EL wire strip in the afternoon. I'll go ahead now, turn on my headlight switch here. And there it is. Absolutely wonderful. I love it so much. There's a closer look. Amazing. Alright, we'll go ahead now and close the door and show you it from the other side. Alright guys, so now we're on the passenger side of the car. We'll come more closer, show you the door, and there it is. Next up, I'll show you it guys with the interior lights turned off. And guys, back here again on the passenger side. Here it is now with the interior dome lights off. You can see it there. Looks absolutely wonderful. Absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. And now this, guys, is the actual passenger side one. You see it here. Come more closer. Absolutely magnificent. I love it so much. So there you guys have it. EL wire installed on my MK6 Jettas front two door cards. Will I be doing the rear door cards? For right now, no. Maybe in the future, yes, but right now, no. I really don't have any rear seat passengers, so I really don't see a need for that. But in the future, if I get more passengers, then yeah, maybe I'll do it. And that effectively ends the video. This is Mr. Greek 2002. Please guys, don't forget to drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Now let's hop in the car and go for a drive and see what it looks like driving. Alright guys, here we are back in the car now. We're driving. There's the passenger side light. Looks amazing. Okay. Go over to the driver's side. Wonderful guys. They're so amazing. Oh my goodness. My oh my.